If you own a gaming PC running Windows 10, chances are your system isn't fully optimized. By tweaking a few settings, you can significantly boost your game performance, reduce input delay, and increase FPS all without downloading anything extra. This guide will walk you through the best Windows 10 optimizations that work on any PC. And don't worry, these changes are safe, and we'll even create a restore point first, just in case. Before making any changes, it's always good to create a system restore point in case you want to revert the settings. Click the Start menu and type System Restore. Click Create a Restore Point to open the System Protection window. Click Create, give it a name like Windows 10 Optimization, then hit OK. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Scroll down to System Devices and expand the list. Look for High Precision Event Timer, HPET. Right-click it and select Disable. If your system feels worse after disabling it, simply enable it again. Removing junk files can speed up your system and reduce storage clutter. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type temp and hit Enter. Select all files, Ctrl plus A, and delete them. Some may not delete. This is normal. Repeat the process with %temp% and prefetch this. This clears up unnecessary files, improving storage performance. Windows often defaults to a balanced power plan, but for gaming, high performance is better. Open Control Panel. Power Options. Click Create a power plan and select High Performance. Click Change Advanced Power Settings, then PCI Express right pointing arrow, turn off Link State Power Management. Processor Power Management right pointing arrow. Set both min/max states to 100%. This ensures your CPU runs at full speed without power saving restrictions. Too many apps launch at startup, slowing down your system. Open Settings, Apps, Startup. Disable any apps you don't need to start with Windows. Example, Spotify, Discord, Adobe Updater, etc. This makes your system boot faster and run smoother. Disable Xbox Game Bar. Open Settings, Gaming, Xbox Game Bar. Turn it off. It reduces FPS. Enable Game Mode. Open Settings, Gaming, Game Mode. Turn it on. Helps prioritize gaming performance. Windows runs apps in the background even if you're not using them. Open Settings, Privacy, Background Apps. Disable all unnecessary apps running in the background. This frees up CPU and RAM for your games. These optimizations will boost FPS, reduce input lag, and improve overall system performance without requiring any downloads. Try these tweaks and let me know if they helped. If you have any other optimization tips, drop them in the comments. If this guide helped, drop a like and subscribe for more performance guides.